Hello everybody and welcome to this special video on how you can start a YouTube channel this year. Now chances are you're here today with some of the big questions. How can I create quality content? How can I get my first 1,000 subscribers? How can I get monetized? Well, these are some great goals to have and something that we're going to be exploring today. If you are new to my channel, I started a YouTube channel in April 2020 to help beginners learn French, and I gained my first 1,000 subscribers after just 10 weeks. 10 weeks for your first 1,000 subscribers is absolutely realistic and achievable if you work hard and if you stay tuned for the 6 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I also hit the 4,000 watch hours needed to get monetized in November, just over 6 months into my channel. Getting monetized in 6 months took a lot of research and is not easy, but is definitely possible. So today I would love to share with you some of my recent research into how to grow from zero, looking at 6 tips to help you get started on your YouTube adventure. Tip number 1. Share your passion. I do not advise that you start a YouTube channel unless you have a passion that you want to share. And the chances are, if you're passionate about something, you might also be quite skilled in it, because that's going to have a big effect on whether people will want to watch your videos. So you could love gaming and be really skilled in it. You could adore going on beautiful walks and know a lot about the necessary equipment. Or you could have a passion for roller skating and have the skills to produce insane videos showing your tricks. Whatever it is, if you can make high quality videos that show your passion, people might well watch. And you're going to have a so much more enriching, rewarding, energizing time if you can make videos showing what you love rather than just making videos for the sake of starting a YouTube channel. But if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, then it's vital that you produce niche content. So what is that? Well, niche content is specific material that people are not going to find anywhere else. If you want to build an audience, you need to produce videos that your subscribers are going to come back to. There is no point making a video on birds in your local environment, then making one on your morning routine, followed by another on Disney princesses. Because how many bird watchers care deeply about their morning routine and Disney princesses? You need to zoom in on one specific area for your videos. So focus on one area, but then zoom in again. Because your videos need a unique selling point if they're going to be really niche and stand out from the crowd. We mentioned gaming. Gaming is a really saturated market. There are tons of YouTubers vying for people's views in gaming. Those who stand out amongst the crowd are those who can play Fortnite better than anyone else, those who can be hilarious while playing Among Us. Whatever type of videos you're hoping to produce, think about the market for those videos. Zoom in and focus on your unique selling point. How are you going to stand out from the crowd? My YouTube channel has done fairly well because I have a unique selling point in a fairly but not overly saturated market. Lots of people want to learn French on YouTube, which is why there are French learning channels with hundreds of thousands, if not a million subscribers. My unique selling point is that my videos contain family-friendly entertainment. I mean, look at my intro credits. Eating garlic, reading my French dictionary on the toilet. No other YouTubers teach French with that style of family-friendly humour. The point is, you need to take your passion and figure out what could be unique about your videos and how you could stand out from the crowd. Next up, let's think about technology. To get started on YouTube, I would thoroughly recommend that you use inexpensive yet high quality technology. Using incredible technology alone is not going to give you any views. Just look at this.
Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Welcome everybody and hello. It is lovely to have you with me this morning.
Despite the appalling technology, that is the most viewed, most liked video on my channel. That's because people care way more about the content of your video rather than how perfect the lighting or the sound is. However, YouTube is a visual platform. No YouTube channel grows significantly without fairly high quality technology. First off, let's talk filming. An inbuilt 720p webcam is not going to produce high quality video footage and will struggle to balance the colours and the lighting. On the other extreme, you can of course use really fancy filming equipment, but if you do film in 4K with bad internet, it will take days to upload your videos onto YouTube, and you will cry. A lot. When thinking about cost versus quality, I would thoroughly recommend getting a decent webcam. The camera I use is a Dericam 1080p webcam. The resolution is totally sufficient for decent quality footage, and it's really effective at colour balance and correction. And the big bonus of using a webcam is that you can record directly into certain software, such as QuickTime Player. As you can see, I've screwed my webcam into the centre of a ring light perched on top of my French dictionary. A ring light is an additional piece of kit which you don't really need for your videos, but it can ensure more consistent lighting and can give you a wee bit of a glow. I use a £23 Creac 8-inch ring light, which comes with 3 different colours and 10 levels of brightness. But when it comes to lighting, you cannot beat the natural. Which is why I make my videos right in front of 3 windows, which let plenty of natural light in. And fortunately, the lighting is absolutely perfect today. Blue skies without the sun coming directly into my room. Next, let's talk microphones. This is my Igoku USB lapel microphone that costs just £13 on Amazon. I simply clip it onto a mini tripod which came with the ring light, and the quality's great. It captures a range of sound waves and really has very little background noise. This is so much better than using an inbuilt laptop microphone, especially if your fan is making noise. Being a USB mic, it's also super easy to record with using software like QuickTime Player. And I've put links to all 3 inexpensive but high quality pieces of tech in the description below, and that's not an affiliate marketing plug. I genuinely just think they're great pieces of tech that you could use to start your YouTube channel. So with this filming setup, here are a few tips to how to edit your videos. And if you want to produce high quality content, editing your videos is probably the most important part of the process. If you have Windows software, then do not use Movie Maker for so many reasons we do not have time for. You're probably best off trialing Adobe Premiere Pro, then seeing if it's worth purchasing. If you have Apple software, then MacBooks come with literally the best free editing software that you could hope for in the form of iMovie. This is my iMovie library, which contains all of my latest projects. Let's go into Christmas dinner. It's really easy to import all of your video footage into iMovie. You can then very easily drag down videos, which can be edited. Perhaps you can trim them, perhaps you could even split them, and then you can really easily insert sounds or music underneath to accompany the videos, and then even up top you could place things like graphics, images, or even titles. Tip number 4 is use relevant keywords. Now, keywords and how they appear in your title and your description will determine whether people find your videos on YouTube search. If you can get this right, it could have a huge impact on the growth of your channel, because after Google, YouTube is the 2nd biggest search engine in the world. So nailing your SEO, your search engine optimization through keywords, could help your videos to be among the first when people search on YouTube for the topic of your video. Let's have a look at 2 videos on my channel which have done pretty well in recent months. First up, this one on French Halloween. Now, have a look at the tags section of my video. Tags aren't that important for your SEO, but with the help of something I downloaded called TubeBuddy, you can see how this video ranks when people search for these different keywords on YouTube. For instance, if you were to search for French Halloween on YouTube, this video comes up 4th. Halloween in France, 2nd. Fun French adults, 1st. How is this the case? Well, it's because those keywords are prominent in the title and the description. The title starts off as French Halloween, a phrase repeated in the first line of the description. There is Fun French, there is adults in my title, and again in the description. And these aren't misleading keywords, but keywords that relate clearly to the content of the video. This time, let's look at a Christmas video. My channel features in the top 10 for at least 6 different searches. So why is that? Well, it's because those keywords that accurately represent the video feature prominently in the title and description. French, Christmas, Noël, France or France, fun, and festive. Our penultimate tip is to make enticing thumbnails. Yes, it is thumbnails time. If you are hoping to attract new viewers and potential subscribers to your channel, then thumbnails can be a deal breaker. Your CTR, your click-through rate, which is YouTube's fancy term for the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing the thumbnail, depends massively on how relevant and appealing your thumbnail is. This is where one of my favourite websites comes in. Canva is a brilliant resource for finding free, non-copyright images to enhance your videos and for making cool graphics. And so many of these features are available for free. But it's particularly helpful for making thumbnails. It has a range of backgrounds you can use, or photos you can use as your background, or within the thumbnail itself. It helps you put in enticing text, and it allows you to remove the background of a picture of yourself without reducing the quality. This thumbnail is now attractive, clearly relevant to people hoping to learn French, and shows what the video is about without giving too much away. And let's wrap up today's video by looking at our final tip, which is to promote your content. Growing your channel is not easy, and it takes quite a long time to knack keywords and thumbnails to improve your SEO. It takes even longer to crack the YouTube browse features algorithm. I mean, I'm 8 months into my channel and I'm still yet to appear on the homepage of someone who is not subscribed to me. So promoting on various different outlets is going to be vital to getting those first views, those first 1,000 subscribers, and maybe the 4,000 watch hours you'll need to get monetized. Now, I'm a bit of an old-fashioned prune. I don't have Instagram, I'm not on TikTok. But whatever social media platforms you have could be crucial to getting people to watch your content. Perhaps it's Twitter, perhaps it's Facebook, and I would thoroughly recommend joining different Facebook groups where people will be interested in seeing you share your passion. But don't sign up to social media platforms just for the sake of growing your YouTube channel. Instead, use whatever outlets you already have and post a link to your YouTube videos on them. Maybe even make up a short trailer with a link to the full video, and those first views will come your way. So to grow your channel from scratch, remember our 6 tips. Share your passion, produce niche content, use high quality but inexpensive tech, use relevant keywords, make enticing thumbnails, and promote your content. If you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, subscribe to my channel below, click on the all notification bell, and I would love to answer any of your questions, or if you'd like to comment to tell me how you're getting on with your YouTube adventure, feel free to post below. But in the meantime, good luck. You can do it. If you work hard, if you follow the tips in this video, you will be able to get those first 1,000 subscribers that you're after. So, see you soon.